The Genie ALKT1 our smart garage door opener controller, also known as the Aladdin Connect Kit, allows you to easily control and monitor your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone. It is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings, making it a seamless addition to your smart home setup. This controller provides enhanced security, remote access, and convenient management, transforming your garage into a smart, connected space. The Google Nest thermostat in charcoal is a smart, programmable Wi-Fi thermostat designed to help you save energy and control your home's temperature with ease. It features an intuitive design, allowing you to adjust settings using the Google Home app or voice commands with Google Assistant or Alexa. The Nest thermostat learns your schedule and preferences to optimize heating and cooling, making your home more comfortable while reducing energy costs. The Chamberlain Smart Garage Control, Mic G0401ES, is a wireless garage hub and sensor that allows you to control your garage door using your smartphone. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, this smart system integrates seamlessly with the Mic app, giving you remote access and monitoring from anywhere. It's compatible with most garage door openers and features easy setup, real-time notifications, and secure access, making your garage more convenient and secure. The Linkind Smart Light Bulbs are versatile LED bulbs that offer a range of smart features, including compatibility with Alexa and Google Home. These color-changing bulbs provide 64 preset scenes, music sync capabilities, and are controllable via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With an A19E26 base, they deliver up to 800 lumens of brightness at 60 W equivalent power. Perfect for creating customizable lighting atmospheres, they are energy efficient and ideal for enhancing any room's ambience. The G-Home Smart Plug is a set of Wi-Fi-enabled outlets that work seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home for hands-free voice control. These smart plugs offer remote control and timer functions, making it easy to manage your devices from anywhere using your smartphone. They connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, with no hub required, and are ETL and FCC listed for safety. This 4-pack is perfect for automating your home and creating a more convenient, energy-efficient setup.